How I Sued Masturbation. This book has helped a lot of young men and women, including married couples who masturbate. If you are masturbating and you are tired of it and you have been looking for help but have not seen, here is your solution. In this book you will find the things I did that made me become completely free from masturbation. And I stayed in this naked world where when you look your left or right all you see are things that provokes your mind to lust and masturbate. And also to commit other sexual perversion. I need you to understand that there are people who do not even have an erection no matter the attack from the opposite sex, television, magazine, billboard and so on. Even when they have blood flowing in them. All you need is to learn from those who have passed through what you are passing through now and have been doing so well with the right records to show. You too can live a life of sexual cleanliness. This book is sold for 5,500 naira. But I want to give out the ebook for just 1,000 naira to the people that will grab this opportunity. This offer closes this coming Monday at 12 AM. Pay to this account 0452247823. Account name Fortunatus Cookie Uche. GT Bank. Or use any of the links in any of my social media handles. And WhatsApp me personally at +234 818 467 0143 to get this book sent to your email or WhatsApp. This is if it is got directly from me. But if from any of the automated sites, this solution giving book will be delivered automatically and the hard copy will be delivered physically through Amazon.